Now the GEEKOM A5 Mini, the version we have is the Ryzen 5 7430U. There's also an option for the Ryzen 7 5825U. Now for our version, the operating clock speed is 2.3 GHz with a turbo speed up to 4.3 GHz. It has 6 cores and 12 threads, which optimizes power consumption while maintaining high responsiveness, perfect for eco-conscious users seeking reliable power without excessive energy use. Now it also has the Radeon RX Vega 7 graphics card. And the RAM that we have here is 16 gigs of RAM, DDR4 3200 RAM, which has an option up to 64 gigs. We also have a 500GB M.2 2280 NVMe, and you can also add in an SSD if you need more storage.